Assalamu alaikum sir, my name is Pojmai. I read in grade 7 Girls Campus at Excelsior School System Islamabad. I have one question that all compound are molecules but all molecules are not a compound. Explain me sir how.
Rahman Rahim. Well, dear student, I tried to catch your name, but you spoke so quickly that I could not understand it. Anyways, your question is that all compounds are molecules, but all molecules are not compounds. How? Now, let me dissect your statement and explain it step by step. You know that what is this? This is H. What does it show? This shows that it is hydrogen element. And this H also shows that this is one atom of hydrogen. And if I write 2 in front of this H, it means there are 2 atoms of hydrogen. But if I write it like this, H base 2, H2, it means that it is one molecule of hydrogen gas. Now it is not an atom. Now it is a gas. Two atoms of hydrogen have been chemically combined to form one molecule of hydrogen. But still, there are 2 atoms in this molecule. These 2 atoms are separate atoms. They are not chemically combined. But here they are chemically combined and more precisely, covalently combined. Now, similarly, what is this O? This is oxygen. What is this O? This is one atom of oxygen. What is this 3O? 3 atoms of oxygen. But what is this O3? This O3 is ozone gas. This is one molecule of ozone gas. So these 3 atoms are chemically combined to form a molecule. Now what is this S? This is the symbol of sulfur. And what is this S? One atom of sulfur. And what is this 8S? 8 atoms of sulfur. But what is this S8? S8 is one molecule of sulfur where 8 atoms have been chemically covalently combined. Now, look here. What is this? Hydrogen. What is this? Oxygen. These are 2 elements. And these 2 elements have been chemically combined or covalently combined to form water, H2O, one molecule. Now this molecule H2O is also a compound. H2O is a molecule, but it is also a compound. Now, what is this? Carbon, oxygen, and they have been covalently combined, chemically combined, and they have formed carbon dioxide gas, CO2. Now, this CO2 is a molecule. Now, CO2 is also a compound. It's a molecule also and a compound also. Now, this is symbol of nitrogen. This is symbol of hydrogen. They have been chemically combined. What has been formed? Ammonia gas, NH3. This is a molecule, but there's a compound also. Now, these are 3 elements, carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. They have been chemically combined and a molecule, one molecule of glucose has been formed, C6H12O6. This is one molecule of glucose, and this is one molecule of glucose compound. Now, this is molecule also and compound also. This is carbon, this is hydrogen. They have been chemically combined to form methane gas. This is the same natural gas which you burn in your stoves in your kitchens. So CH4 is a molecule as well as a compound. Now, I have in this paper tried to make more clear that H2O compound and molecule. H2O is compound, yes. Molecule, yes. H2O is both compound and molecule. Carbon dioxide, is it compound? Yes. It is a molecule? Yes. Methane, natural gas, is it a compound? Yes. It is a molecule? Yes. H2SO4, sulfuric acid, gandak ka tazab, is it a compound? Yes. Is it a molecule? Yes. HCl, hydrochloric acid or hydrogen chloride, is it a compound? Yes. Is it a molecule? Yes. Now, come down. H2, hydrogen gas, is it a compound? No. Is it a molecule? Yes. Oxygen gas, O2, one molecule of oxygen gas, is it a compound? No. Is it a molecule? Yes. Nitrogen gas, N2, is it a compound? No. Is it a molecule? Yes. Chlorine gas, Cl2, is it a compound? No. Is it a molecule? Yes. Then bromine, Br2, is it a compound? No. Is it a molecule? Yes. Ozone, O3, ozone gas, is it a compound? No. Is it a molecule? Yes. Now, come here. Let me explain it mathematically. This M is set of molecules, and C is set of compounds. Now, oxygen is a molecule, H2O is a molecule, hydrogen gas is a molecule, NH3 ammonia gas is a molecule, N2 is a molecule, nitrogen gas, and methane gas is a molecule, CH4. They are all molecules. This is a set of molecules. Now I will make a subset of compounds from this set. Now, from here, H2O is a compound, NH3 is a compound, and CH4 is a compound. So every compound here, H2O, NH3, and CH4, is found in the set of molecules. So every compound is a molecule because this every compound is in the set of molecules also. So every compound is a molecule. But oxygen is not found here. Hydrogen is not found here. Nitrogen is not found here. Oxygen, hydrogen, and nitrogen, they are molecules, but they cannot be written in this set of compounds because they are not compounds. So all molecules are not compounds. This molecule is not compound. This molecule is not compound. This molecule is not compound. So all molecules are not compounds, but all compounds are molecules. So all these compounds are molecules, but all these molecules are not compounds. This is what your statement says. But I will see whether I agree with it, or I take some exception to your statement. Now, look here, dear student, sodium chloride is a compound. Sodium chloride is a compound. Compound, yes. Molecule, no, it is not a molecule. So you said that all compounds are molecules. But I am saying here that no, all compounds are not molecules. Sodium chloride is an ionic compound and it is not a molecule. Calcium carbonate is an ionic compound, but it is not a molecule. Potassium chloride is a compound, ionic compound, it's not a molecule. Calcium chloride is a compound, it is not a molecule. Aluminium oxide is a compound, but it is not a molecule. So, to say that all compounds are molecules, first part of your statement is not universally true. It is incorrect. It does not come up to the test of chemistry. Now, what should be your statement? Let me correct your statement. When you say all compounds are molecules, this is not true. You should be saying all covalent compounds are molecules, because only those compounds which are formed through covalent bonds, they are molecules. They are all molecules. But all the compounds which are ionic compounds like these ones, they are not molecules. And you must be knowing that they are called formula units. They are compounds, but they are not molecules. They are formula units. Molecules are discrete, smallest units of atoms which are found in a compound. Like water is a compound, H2O is a molecule. There are millions of molecules in one drop of water, so there are millions of H2O molecules. So that is a compound. But sodium chloride, table salt, there are no discrete, there are no separate pieces like molecules. There is a lattice structure, a three-dimensional structure. Every ion, every anion is attached with every cation, and every cation is attached with every anion. Right? So they are formula units, they are not molecules. So your statement is not universally true. Your statement should have been that all covalent compounds are molecules, but all molecules are not compounds. And to make you more understand, you should know and you should say that all ionic compounds like sodium chloride, calcium carbonate, potassium chloride, etc., are not molecules. All covalent compounds are molecules. All ionic compounds are not molecules. Now, what is a molecule and what is a compound? A molecule is formed when two or more atoms of the same element. When I say same element, I mean hydrogen gas, oxygen gas, nitrogen gas. They are formed by the combination of same elements. Two atoms of oxygen meet chemically to form oxygen gas. Three atoms of oxygen chemically combine to form ozone gas. So they are molecules of the same element. But the molecules of different elements like hydrogen and oxygen combine to form water. So what is a molecule? A molecule is formed when two or more atoms of the same element or different elements combine to form a substance. So that is a molecule. But what is compound? When two or more atoms of different elements combine, they form a compound, which is a molecule again. Okay, I hope that you have understood the concept of molecule and compound, and you must have also understood that all compounds are molecules, but all molecules are not compounds is not a true statement. It is universally untrue. Okay. So if you still have any confusion, you can come back to me. I'll try to make it further clear. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.